What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Royzcustomz. I just want to take a couple of minutes right here to tell you a little bit about my channel. First of all, it is mostly about cars, working on them. I do some car audio stuff, custom sub boxes mostly, but I do also do some other general install stuff. I also do some reviews of products and stuff that if I get something that I think I need or something that I do need, then I'll do a little bit of a review on it, tell you how I feel about it. And of course, you know, I work on cars, fix them, repair them, do some body work. I do a little bit of welding here and there and stuff, and there you have it. That's pretty much the basics of my channel. If you're into cars and car audio, click subscribe, get your notifications, and see what I do next. Thanks for watching. Peace out.